Mussels are absolutely delicious. They're one of my favorite foods. They're easy to cook, easy to prepare, but if they're overcooked or not cleaned properly, it's a huge turnoff. So here are some of the basics on how to prepare mussels. So generally when you buy mussels, they look like this. The shells have lots of other creatures like barnacles growing on them. The beards are hanging out the side of the shell. Sometimes your fishmonger will clean them for you, but normally you'll have to do this yourself. So put your mussels in a container with cold fresh water. We're going to start by pulling out the beards. It is possible to do this by hand, but it's much easier with tweezers or pliers like this. Also take care when you're doing this because the edge of the shell is sharp and it's possible to cut yourself. Once the beard of the mussel is removed, get a nice brush or steel wool without chemicals and give the outside of the shell a nice scrub. And if there's any barnacles or anything like that on the outside of the shell, just take a paring knife and simply scrape them off. It's also a good idea if you have the time to let your mussels soak in cold fresh water. Mussels are filter feeders, and depending on where they're farmed or harvested, they can have sand or traces of mud. Sometimes they can be excessively salty. So when you leave them in a container of fresh water, they tend to taste a bit cleaner, less salty, and this will help get rid of the sand, mud, any kind of grit inside the shell. Also, during this stage, you should be looking for dead mussels. If you see any mussels that are open and don't immediately close when touched, make sure to get rid of these because they can make you sick. So next, this is really important. A lot of chefs don't take this into consideration, but mussels are all different sizes. Smaller mussels cook much faster than larger mussels. So what I've done here is I have 3 containers for small, medium, and large mussels. I'm going to cook these separately, but you can also start with the large mussels and then add the medium ones and then the small ones after about 30 seconds to a minute or so. So in my opinion, the best way to cook mussels is to put your mussels in a container with a little bit of wine, stock, or water, any aromatics that you want. Get a very hot pot with a lid, simply dump them in, cover them, and once they open, pass them through a strainer. Remember to keep the juice because it's full of flavor. Remove any mussels that don't open. The mussels are now edible at this point, but we want to go through them one more time, make sure there's no sand or beards inside. So this delicious mussel stock, when I put this in the fridge, make sure it cools down quickly. And then a couple of minutes later, your mussels should have cooled down on their own. Now we're going to remove the mussels from their shells. We're going to check inside. There's nothing worse than eating your mussels and then finding a beard still inside. So this takes a little bit of extra time, but it is worth it. And this goes without saying, but this part you should make sure your hands are very clean or use gloves, especially if you intend on serving these cold. So here we go. This one still had a beard inside. You just pluck it out. So if you look closely, you can see the mussel meat is held on by this little strip right here, and then you just simply pop it right off. So here's another one with the beard still inside. So you just get right in there and pluck it out. The beards won't make you sick or anything, but getting that stuck in your teeth is disgusting. So we're going to arrange our mussels neatly in a tray. So we're going to take some of the aromatics that the mussels had been cooked with, the thyme and the garlic. We're going to add them to the tray, and we're going to cover with the mussel stock. And you want to make sure it's cold. So we're going to go one more step further. We're going to clean the shells. It's very easy to do. So just a big pot of boiling water. We're going to throw some orange peels in there. That helps with the smell. So after a couple of minutes of cooking, our shells are almost clean. So we're just going to take one out here and show you. That little white tab there is going to pop right off. They're not edible, they're kind of chewy, and let's just get rid of it. Give the shells a scrub and make sure you rinse them well. Now when you're ready to serve, you can just heat the mussels up gently, arrange them back in their shells. They will be clean, perfectly cooked. It couldn't be more simple. You can also eat them cold, add them to any other seafood dish. The possibilities are endless. Well, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. And if you enjoy our content, consider supporting us on Patreon. We have plenty of extra content and perks. The link is below in the description box. Happy cooking.